Hi guys, Emman here of GadgetPilipinas.net, and we are at Computex 2023. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Gigabyte booth and see which products they have in store for us. Let's go! And now we are here at the Aorus section, basically the gaming section of the Gigabyte booth. And one of the things they are actually showing here is a memory speed test for a DDR5 RAM, which I would assume is in this machine. Now, unfortunately, well, the values are, probably not visible to you, but basically this machine is, of course, all Aorus powered. So you can see the Aorus GPU, the very thick Aorus GPU. I would assume this is an RTX 40 series card. And of course, you also see an AIO with CPU temperature. So AIOs have already evolved so much. Now they're showing the more information. And of course, RGB lighting. They also have here another setup, which is a more simple setup with a stealth graphics cards, Gigabyte stealth graphics card. And then this is a little more simple than that one, that I actually like it more. And then they actually have a lot of these in the booth. They even allow you to actually play some of the games on some of the machines, which will actually show you, or it's probably in your screen right now. So we're gonna go there later. We're gonna check them all out. Okay, so let's move. Of course, when you have PCs like that, you would expect the brand to also show off their motherboards and graphics cards. So in this section, we have all of the Aorus motherboards. Actually, this is a mix of Intel and AMD based motherboards. So we have here for example, the Z790 Aorus Extreme, which is probably their high-end board. And then we also have the Aorus Tachyon, actually the Extreme, the Elite. You can see here the Aero G. They all have different designs and cater to different types of users, I guess. And of course, motherboards these days, they're also about aesthetics. So it's a good thing that they have a lot of options for you to choose from. If you want a bare motherboard or a very fancy looking motherboard, Aorus has it. So, and then here we have the AIO, triple fan AIO. And then there's a water cooling block there. And then actually that's a GPU. Yeah, that's a GPU. It's a 4080 water-cooled GPU. And then we also have the 4090, the various 4090 models for Aorus. So we have here the 4080 16GB Master, and then the 4090 Aero, and then the 4090 Gaming OC. So again, these cater to different types of users, and I would guess budget depending on the price. But you do get, of course, you can expect a ton of performance from these cards and a ton of good reliability also with the Aorus brand. So let's move on to the next section. Hi guys, we are now at the laptop section of the Aorus booth, and we have here some of their laptops. Over there on the other side, we have the gaming laptops, and over here we have the laptops for those who want a more compact and light laptop for productivity and creative use. One good example is the Aero 14 OLED 2023, which is powered by a 13th gen Intel Core processor and RTX 40 series graphics, which are all fit in a very light and compact chassis. And it also has an OLED display, 2.8K QHD+. So you won't really have a problem with, if you're into media consumption and you're doing like things like Photoshop or maybe Lightroom or anything that involves creative work. And if you need all those details, then this screen should be really, really good. And again, one of the main selling points of this laptop is how compact and light it is compared to, say, a gaming laptop that usually is a little more bulky. And as you can see here, we also have the Arrow logo, which you can check out. It actually lights up when you open the laptop. And also the keyboard is backlit. We also have Type-C fast charging, 16 GB of RAM, LPDDR5 RAM, and TUV Rhineland iSafe 2.0 certification. So I guess that makes for a good display. So overall, it looks like a very capable laptop, and if you're looking into a very compact and slim model for creative work, this should be your choice. So if the laptop earlier was compact and slim, we now come to the gaming laptop section of the Gigabyte booth in the Aorus part, which is the gaming part. Now we have here the Aorus 17X 2023, which is powered by an Intel Core i9 processor and of course an RTX 40 series GPU. So of course you can expect much of the fancy stuff in a gaming laptop from this. So backlit keyboard, and then 240 hertz refresh rate for all those smooth visuals for your game. So given the specs of this laptop, basically this should be able to handle any game you throw at it. So, and this is just one of the laptops that they're showing here. You can actually see that there are 3 of them here for you to try. So if you're here in Computex 2023, you should be able to test these out. So we are now on the other side of the booth, which is the non-gaming side. As you can see behind me, it says Gigabyte Advanced Data Centers, because this is where you'll actually find their more enterprise-oriented products like servers, other motherboards for factory, industrial and retail industries. So there's even a showcase here for the Grace Superchip for AI, which we're also about to check out. So that concludes our tour of the Gigabyte booth here at Computex 2023. This is Emman from Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you for watching.